Welcome back to another video. Thanks to all my subscribers and all those who support my channel. Thank you so much. And please continue to like, subscribe, share and comments. So today I'm going to show you how we in Jamaica look about tin mackerel and boiled banana. I'm going to show you, so stay along with me guys and enjoy and watch. So this is the pot right here with the water boiling up. So I'm going to peel the banana now. So in there. I'm going to peel the banana. So guys, this is how we peel it. Let me set the camera a bit better. So this is the mackerel over here. Yeah. And this is the onion. And these are the tomato and garlic. So I'm going to peel the banana now guys and show you. Yeah, do it like this. Put it in the water. It's water over here, you see. You see guys, so I just cut the top, cut the bottom and slice it. See, this is it. You cut the top, slice it like this, do it like that, and then you just peel it off like this. Peel it off like this. So guys, this is the banana now. I finished peeling them, so I'm going to put them in the pot now. And let me stay them boil. Guys, this is the flour. Turn on the camera so you can. This is the flour. See it? And I'm going to put some cornmeal inside here, so I'm going to make cornmeal dumpling to put with my banana. Cornmeal dumpling to put with my banana. So I'm going to sprinkle the cornmeal over and over, and then I'm going to put some salt in it. Okay. A bit more water. You can't add a lot of water to it. You have to have a little water and then you knead it like this. So it is ready to go now. I make my dumpling, put them in. Put like this. So when you go like this, you knead it, knead it, knead it, knead it, knead it. And then you do like this. Then you put it in the pot. Pot. Like this. Knead it. Press it down. Put it in the pot. like this. See guys, you knead it like this, you do it like this, and then I do it like this, and then I press it out like this, and I put it in. Another one, you knead it like this, press it in, put it in a pot, and that's it for now, so it's gonna stay there and cook. So, this is the 1 peg of garlic, and this is the onion. A peg of garlic and onion, and I have 2 tomatoes. So, I'm going to turn on the stove and put in the oil. Like the stove. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil, not much oil, and the pot get hot. A bit of oil. In the meantime, cut up the onion. Let's see if I see you guys. You see what I'm doing, guys? I'm stripping, cutting it up. I put some cooking oil. Cooking oil. Not much. See. Come over here. Get to see. I already washed the tomato. I already washed it. I don't think I need 2 tomatoes. I'm just going to use 1 and 1 tomato. And this is the garlic now. I cut up the garlic inside the pot. And then we're gonna put the seasoning, chicken seasoning on. So put the chicken seasoning, mix it around, and then throw it inside the pot. Turn it a little bit because I don't want it to be. I don't like that. And as you can see this, banana dumpling is getting there. It's looking good. So after this finish, then I'm gonna open my jack mackerel and throw it in there. So see, as you can see the pot right there. If them I see it good. We put the camera where they can get this. Yeah. So, see it? Food I cook. I see, you know, you can see. You can see. So guys, you can see in the pot. See what it look like now. Oh, simmer down. And I put the pepper, but I didn't need to show. So now, that's it. And I'm gonna open my mackerel. So this is our Jamaican poor people food. I'm sure you know how to cook the poor people food quick and fast. Very nice. So I'm gonna cover it back. Cover it back so it steam a little bit more. Covering it back so it can steam a little bit more. So guys, this is the Jamaican poor people food that I'm cooking, showing you guys. Tin mackerel and banana in the morning. So this is mostly a little local cheap food that we cheap cooking. Hope you guys did enjoy what you see and you get to learn how to cook banana and tin mackerel. So I'm gonna show you when it's final and I'm gonna have some. Yeah, this is it. I don't know if you guys can see it real good, but that's the final result of my banana and dumpling. And this, you can see, is the final touch. See guys? Final touch. So I hope you guys learn how to cook tin mackerel and banana now. So, bye until next time. Hope you enjoy watching me cook my breakfast. Thank you guys. Remember now to like, share and comment. Yeah. And I share some in my plate. It's all cooking. With a dumpling. See? Dumpling is all good and ready. This here is So, guys, yummy and nice and ready to eat. So I'm going to eat some right now. So if you like my cooking with my banana and tin mackerel, please subscribe to my channel. So bye, take care, love you guys. Until next time, I'm going to eat now. Mwah. Yummy, 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 yummy.